Now let's take a look at the general conditions, the A201. The A201, as we said, is that kind of umbrella document that has all the definitions and is kind of the backbone to how all these different contracts relate to each other. So let's just sort of dive right in, and we got notice requirements.
Yeah, this is a real quick one that we can do. Previously, again, notice is a term that was not necessarily capitalized throughout. In fact, the old document, sometimes it's capitalized, sometimes it's not. So what they did is let's get rid of all that. Basically, they say notice must be in writing. And so everything is in writing. And so it says notice shall be in writing to the designated representative. They're giving instructions. So going forward, anytime you see the word notice in the document, it needs to be in writing. And it's a consistent term. So that's what they're trying to do there. Okay. The other one change here on 1.6.2 is that yes, it needs to be in writing, but if it's a claim, you have to do it by certified or registered mail. Here, I'll show you where that is down here. So if you are claimed, that means if someone's asking for money, not only does it need to be in writing, but it needs to be certified or registered mail. So the contractor has to put it in the post. It can't just say, I sent you an email, or it's in the project meeting minutes. So if you want an actual claim, you got to go one more step. Other than that, everything else needs to be in writing.